Hey guys, bienvenidos al Miami. We are in Miami. First time that me and Caroline have been in Miami in a long time. I think last time we were here, Savannah was.
I just found out I was pregnant.
Yeah, she was in the belly. But check out this view. We're on the 33rd floor of the Intercontinental Hotel, right on the water. About to board the cruise ship, and the cruise ship we are going on is the Icon of the Seas. It's our first non-Disney cruise since like before COVID, and it's currently the world's biggest cruise ship. So unless another cruise ship comes and takes that title, or until, it is the biggest cruise ship. So we're excited to try all the things. I'm sure there's some areas of the ship that we will kind of stay migrating towards, because there's a lot of adult stuff on there, but there's a lot of fun stuff for kids and families. So follow along. We're just had a good night. We got in at like midnight last night, so didn't have much to do in Miami, unfortunately, but we're ready for the cruise. Let's go. Adios.
Yeah. Okay, we're on our way to the cruise. We're ready to board. We've got our Starbucks.
And I got my Skibidi toilet here. I love the rainbow. I know. It's so skibbity. It's so skibbity.
Wow.
I'm so excited. It's so skibbity. My first step. It's very sand-packed.
Oh my God!
Hello. Hello. Thank you. Okay.
Wait, is that real pretty?
They have a Starbucks on a cruise. Wow. They have a Starbucks on a cruise.
So, is this fancier than a Disney cruise?
Yeah, they have Starbucks on a cruise. That's all I'm here for. Whoa, they have Starbucks on a cruise.
I'm here for the one.
Hazel?
Mom, this
All right, here we are. Muster drill was easy. It was way easier than the Disney cruise. And look, this thing is just so cool. All right, we are in the Surfside area, which I feel like we're gonna spend a lot of time here. Look, the water slides are up there. Yes, this looks so cool. Perfect for families and kids. So yeah, let's check it out. Wow, the rooms there look cool too.
ice cream. That's
An arcade. Oh yeah. Hey. Go, Shepard. All right, Soleil. Good job, Soleil. Getting an ice cream, our first ice cream of the trip. I'm fine, thank you. Soleil, you're on the ice cream. Aww. All right, this is Central Park. This is so cool. The plants are amazing.
Dad, that was that fast. I didn't even notice.
I know, it's so fast. Maybe.
I want to go swimming.
I hear a live band. Let's go check it out.
But I can't believe the bus to do was like that fast.
That was so fast. Come on, Savannah.
Dad, is that the
Look, this is where we just were. Wow, lots of seating. I feel like you can always find a seat.
Looking at all.
All right, we got our cups and our first pizza on the cruise. So good. It's really good.
Yummy. Yeah, the
Crispy, good undercarriage. Nope, not much plop. It's good pizza. Okay, we are about to go to dinner, but here is our room. I've got another view of the room with the window and the ocean. And I like this view. Like from anywhere in the room, you just have a great view. It's almost like it better in the balcony. And look, yeah, you can drop that thing too. But yes, so we're going to dinner at Cafe something on the
Or no, Pier 7? Or
Pier 7 on the surf side.
We need 2 elastics.
So yeah, we're not doing the fine dining tonight. The kids or Shepard's excited about that.
Okay.
But let's see. It'll be fun.
Because I don't like fancy restaurants. I don't like wearing fancy clothes.
Here. Okay, boys.
All right, we all got our drinks. They're pretty good, huh? The pink
Nice
fizz
skivvy signals here. I only took 2 sips.
and the bubbly wubbly over there.
Smile.
Soleil, that looks good,
I
huh?
want to trade with
Wait,
Soleil.
get her photo.
Soleil, smile.
Soleil, smile.
Mom, I want to trade.
Okay, the sundae looks beautiful. The food has been delicious. Like, it's just been so good. And so, waiting for theirs, but our sundaes are here. Mine's Soleil's. Soleil, use a spoon.
Are you ready?
All right, time for a handshake dance.
It's a TikTok dance, but we don't have the sound.
Dana?